Now, where are you? Really? What if I'm coming? Stop. Do not store it. I'm coming. You got Shadow? Is that real? I will not.
Are you serious right now, bro?
I'm just kidding. That was just joking. Well, we can play around with it. That's why. Drop it. Store. I'm just kidding. No, it's not stored. Boo. W. You just pulled out the dragon luck. I want to see if I can hide it in the chest. Best fruits on the top. Right here. Yes. How can those lag? What if I just place it in here? I just wanted to trap you in there. Oh no! Oh no! He's coming! Dude, run! Run! Dude!
It's alright, like...
It's pretty difficult to put into words how disgusted I am, how...
Excuse me, what the actual
You know how sad the YouTube viewers are gonna be when they see a new upload and it's nothing but me sitting here looking for them to like their content.
Sent me a message first, yeah? I live in Static Birmingham, it's wonderful. Hundreds.
not gonna talk. Here we go. W. I needed this. Yes, my aimbot time. Ah, yes, the most insane aimbot movement. I look so zesty with the diamond, bro. Look at me. Oh, fine. Oh, mom. What's this? Prismatic reflection. Oh yeah, this is the aimbot. Oh. Get away from it. Alright. How did they bot? Oh, was that you? No. Was that you?
Let's go gambling! Let's go gambling! Gambling, gambling! Is that all you ever say? That's all I hear anymore! I can't take it anymore! I hate gambling!
I don't have any items.
W. You rolled a light. Can we give it to my... No, mine. Okay, well, so far. Bruh. Also, Deku's in. Let's help him again.
Help me.
Them to bring me my money. Yeah!